Hi, my name is Andres, project manager for Chapter Miami. Welcome to our newest renovation project here in Edgewater. On this elevator lobby, we did beautiful paneling plus a marble flooring. Once you enter from the elevator, you can come into the main house, which is a 3,000 square unit. Let me bring you to the main area where the living room, kitchen is. We did a complete renovation on the whole apartment, including 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a powder room. So when you walk into the left area, we have this large entertainment room, which the client really wanted. We created an open space with a wet bar, cladded natural stone walls for the TV room. And we also expanded space to create a large living room area. So from here we're going to the kitchen, which we were able to do a fully custom kitchen with integrated sinks, brass faucets, Miele appliances. The client really wanted to use natural stone in many areas of the house, so we're able to create this beautiful island. Coming into this area, we have a wine cooler with some glass storage. So once we started with the demolition, we realized that we had some stacks pipes on this area. So with the help of the design team at Chapter and the clients, we were able to create these 2 columns cladded with glass bronze mirrors and include some millwork and LED details. So from here, let me walk you through the master bedroom, which on this area, we completely did brand new frameless doors. One thing that the client really wanted was to relocate the washer and dryer, so we were able to accomplish this by putting it in a large closet on the hallway. We had to do brand new HVAC, brand new plumbing and electrical. We also redid the whole flooring on the entire apartment. This is one of the 4 bedrooms that we completed renovated. We did new floors, new doors, and also a new bathroom. So this is bedroom number 2, which to my right, it has its own ensuite bathroom. So let's check out the powder room, which was a whole build out, really darker vibes. We were able to do stone on the walls, stone on the floors, and also an integrated vanity with wallpapers on the walls as well, and a Venetian plaster on the ceiling. Coming out of the powder room, we have our 4th bedroom, which has an amazing view. Here we also did new doors, new walls, new floors, and the ensuite bathroom. So coming into the master bedroom, we have this space here, which the clients really wanted to utilize it as an office area. For this, we fully did a custom paneling on the walls, including the bed, some LED lighting around it. And to my right, we have the master bathroom, which the clients really wanted their own oasis, and we were able to accomplish this by moving some areas of the laundry and expanding the space of the master.